Assalamu alaikum, dear audience and my students. How are you? Hoping you will be fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are presenting concept of noun in a story form. Nina is a young, fresh, attractive, enthusiastic, and devoted teacher. She is very committed to her lectures and with her students. Mina is a student who is very fond of learning and eager to learn about grammatical concepts and new things in the world. Mina, her curious student, sat eagerly ready to learn from her teacher. Teacher Nina, standing in front of the blackboard with a warm smile. She addressed to her student, Mina, today we will learn about nouns. Mina, today we will learn about nouns. Mina, who was a student, she said eagerly, What are nouns, teacher? What are nouns, teacher? Mina asked from her teacher. Teacher Nina explained. Teacher Nina explained. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, your name, Mina, is a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, your name, Mina, is a noun. Mina clapped her hands. Mina clapped her hands and said, Oh, so my name is a noun. Oh, so my name is a noun. Oh, so my name is a noun. Yes. Now, can you name a place? Yes. Now, can you name a place? Her teacher Nina asked. Her teacher Nina asked. School. Madam, it's school. School. Mina shouted. Great. Now tell me a thing. Great. Now tell me a thing. Great. Now tell me a thing. Teacher Nina continued. Teacher Nina continued. Ma'am, that's a book. Book. Ma'am, it's a book. Mina said excitedly. Mina said excitedly to her teacher. Very good. Very good. So, Mina is a person, school is a place, and book is a thing. All of them are nouns. All of them are nouns. Nina explained. Nina explained. The teacher, Nina, asked her student, Mina, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Mina said to her teacher, Nina. Mina said to her teacher, Nina. Teacher, today we learned many nouns. like Mina, Nina, book and school. Teacher, today we learn many nouns like Mina, Nina, book and school. In the last, the teacher, Nina, asked the students about homework. She assigned a task to the students. Write down the nouns used in this lesson. Write down the nouns used in this lesson and some extra examples too. Teacher Nina with her student and Nina. The story of noun here ends. Dear students, you are having a session of the definition of noun with Madam Humera Wali Khawaja. Spoken English and daily conversation with your very own Madam Humera Wali Khawaja. Thank you. Please share Working Channel and subscribe it for the sake of Sadqa Jariya so that students can learn the concept of grammar in a very easy way. Thank you.